Hey guys, it's Rachel and I'm so excited. The postman just came and handed me my Foxy Fix, this beautiful box, which I've not yet opened. I've just cut down the labels and cut the sellotape off and I couldn't wait to get into it. So I've straight away come and got the tripod out and the table set up, and yeah, we're going to open it together. So I'll just move the box to the side because obviously it's all full. I'll show you in case you haven't had one before, but it's all full of worms. And yeah, we need to get all that out. But I've got a little sample, a little leather sample. I've got the sugar mochi, which actually I would love to have seen in real life. So I'm really glad that I've got that, because it looks really different in different people's videos and different people's pictures. So it's nice to see that in real life and see what that's like. You just get the little business card. I'm gonna have to get all these worms out. If you follow me on social media, you will know already what this planner is, what colour it is, because I have not shut up about it since I ordered it, because I've been so excited. But why is that different? Oh, I know why it's different. I was going to say, why is that a different size when I ordered personal wide, but it's because, I'll tell you why afterwards. So I ordered this about January the 13th-ish. So it's taken quite a while to get to me. It's the 27th of February today. And I got customs for this on the 25th. I got a text message from Royal Mail and I paid it straight away. So just a little extra that I ordered. I ordered a personal wide size dashboard, just a top loading one, I think, or was it a side loading one? A side loading one, and then there's a page lifter in there. But oh my goodness, I'm so excited for this. If there's anything wrong with it, if there's any marks in the leather or anything, I think I'll cry. I think I will cry, because I want this so bad. Oh my god, I can see it. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. So I picked up a Foxy Fix personal snap closure in the gorgeous sweet peach leather that came out. Now, if you watched my video a few videos ago, I think it was the one where I did my Hobonichi Weeks flip through, you will have heard me say on there that I didn't like the sugar leather and it wasn't for me, blah blah blah. And then this came out and I just absolutely loved the colour and I had to have it. But what I realised was, it wasn't the sugar leather that I hated, it was the elastic. I hated the elastic sort of puckering up the colour at the side. So I thought, if I go with a snap closure, that won't happen and I can love it. So I went for the sweet peach with the white stitching and a holographic fox and pip bow. I always get a fox and pip bow, it's my favourite. Nothing on the spine, and there is the back. And then if I open her up, oh my god, I'm so excited. If I open her up, I got the petal pockets. Ah, oh look, oh, there is a mark. Oh no. I don't mind too much though, because it's on the inside and I can just cover that with decoration. And it is just what do they call it, like scarring. It's not too bad actually. I'll hold it up. I can live with that. There's a couple on the side as well, but it's definitely variation in the leather. It's not a mistake or anything like that, so I don't mind that too much. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. So I did get the personal size because I have had a personal wide snap closure before. I had the botanical rose and it was just too big. It was too big for me. And I ended up selling that botanical rose, which I was really sad about because I loved it. But I have ordered another personal in the sugar grapefruit, which is a very similar colour, but that's a different story. But yeah, I did see when I watched a few videos online that you can actually put personal wide inserts in here. You can't stuff it as much as you would if you got a personal one, a personal wide one, but it's definitely doable. So if I open them up quickly. So there's the page lifter. That is just the normal personal sized page lifter. And then that is the personal wide. Oh, it's not. I was going to say, why is that not going on? It's got little holes. Well, I'll tell you what actually then, because I can't be bothered getting all of those out of there. I will show you the dividers that I bought to go with this. Because like I said, because it's a personal size planner, you can't stuff it as much as a personal wide. So I thought that instead of having top loading dividers, I would order some just plain dividers, just some thin ones. I got these from Planner Life to Love on Instagram. She's Monkey Moose on Etsy. I got the peach hollow at the top. So I got top tabs instead of side tabs, because that's another thing that I've heard. Yeah, come in. Sorry, that's just my little girl wanting to get through to go to the toilet. Yeah, because I have... I can stay with you. Just 1 second and I'll just help sort her out. Sorry about that. I just wanted to help her go to the toilet, make sure she was okay. I've bribed her with some Pringles from the shop if she goes and sits back down in the living room and be quiet. Anyone that knows my little girl knows that being quiet is not her strong point. So yeah, I got my dividers from Planet Life to Love on Instagram, and she's Monkey Moose on Etsy. She made me my gorgeous dividers that are in my personal wide at the minute. They are top loading ones, but these ones are not. But I mean, I can still decorate them with vellum, stick die cuts on them. The vinyl at the top is absolutely stunning. It's peach holographic is what she called it. And I got monthly, I got weekly, I got daily, personal, social media and notes. I also bought some I've lost some planner press ones as well, to sort of slot in the middle and do subdividers if I needed to. But I'm so happy with this. It's so gorgeous, and I really don't mind that at all. I thought that might bug me, but I'm glad the character is on the inside and not on the outside. Oh, it's so stunning. I love it so much. So yeah, that is my gorgeous new planner. What was I saying before she said she needed the toilet? I can't remember. Oh, side tabs. Yeah, if you see when I close it, can you see how close to the side they get? Right up to the edge there. So you can't have side tabs. Side tabs would not work if you were going to put personal wide inserts and dividers in here. You would have to go for the top tabs, but I totally don't mind that. I am so cool with that. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, if I'm honest, because I'm absolutely desperate to get moved into it. So I might move into it this weekend and then try and film a flip for you on Monday. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to film a flip of my Aura Estelle before I move out of it. It's not too different from when I filmed the flip of it when I set it up. That's on my channel a few videos ago if you want to go and have a look at that. If you want to see a video of it before I move out of it, let me know in the comments and I will do it. It is a little bit different. But yeah, I think that's it for now. I'm going to go and play with my gorgeous new planner. I absolutely love it so much. Oh, I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm going. That's it. Can you tell how excited I am? Oh my goodness. Right, I'm going. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you can give me a little thumbs up. And if you subscribe, I love you forever. And I will see you soon. Bye.